have 15 minutes from now. How do you make the most of that time if you want to write something? You have an idea about a course you want to make or an ebook you want to write. How do you do that? Well, the first thing is that you should listen to something that makes you focus. You can listen to binaural beats or some kind of music that makes you focus, but it has to help you let out everything else that will disturb you and simply let you focus on the task at hand. You should also use a timer. I've called this one a Pomodoro timer, but you can use any stopwatch online or your watch or whatever you prefer to use. Set a timer for 15 minutes, and when the timer starts, you start writing, and when the timer stops, you stop writing. That's pretty simple, but how do you know what to write? Well, you have to outline it first. I use a mind map tool called Xmind, and as you can see, I have the evaluation mode. You can try it out, or you can buy a yearly subscription, I think monthly too. And then you simply add your topic to the middle point here and add branches out. This one is pretty big, but it doesn't have to be that big. If you're writing a short book, it will be much shorter. But otherwise, then you just follow the lines. So when you have your 15 minutes and you are ready to write, then you pick the chapter you have reached and you simply start typing. And when you've done this work first, you don't need to think when you are typing, not much at least. And that will save you time and that will get you a lot of work done. So that means that your first 15 or maybe 2 times 15 minutes, you will spend them make this outline, and then when you're writing, you simply start from one end, story, how I got started, and you type. And you know your own story, so you don't have to think a lot. So that helps a lot too. That's another thing. It helps, of course, if you know your topic. But simply by making this outline over your topic or course or ebook, then you will get to know the topic much better. So that means that you can get a lot of writing done in 15 minutes, much more than you would think. Just try it out. Remember to use some kind of sound that will allow you to focus, and a timer so that you have an idea of how long you write, and then an outline, and then start writing.